A day in a life of a Filipino wife of a trucker here in the US. Join me as I share with you our life journey and trucking experience here in the country. For today's video, guys, we are here in the state of Nevada, and before we start our day, of course, we are going to prepare our breakfast. For my hubby, I made him ham and cheese sandwich, and for me, I made myself peanut butter sandwich. After we ate our sandwich, guys, my hubby and I decided for us to go inside this truck stop. As you can see on the video, guys, they are selling lots of souvenirs, decors, or whatever. Look at this whiskey flask, guys. It's so big. Las Vegas, Sin City, whatever. After all that, we then started trucking again, and we are here now in the state of California. A little trivia about California. The name origin of California is believed to have come from a mythical island described in a 16th century Spanish novel. The state flag is known as the Bear Flag and was first raised in 1846 by settlers revolting against Mexican rule. Los Angeles is considered the birthplace of the film industry. California is the nation's most populated state and a global leader in agriculture, technology, and entertainment. It is home to the highest and lowest point in the contiguous United States, Mount Whitney and Death Valley. California was an independent country for about a month in 1846 before becoming part of United States. The official state motto is Eureka, which means I have found it. California became the 31st state on September 9, 1850. California's nickname is the Golden State. This name comes from both the history of the California Gold Rush in 19th century and the abundance of golden poppy flowers that bloom across the state. The discovery of gold in 1848 sparked a massive migration to the state, which played a huge role in California's rapid growth and its path to statehood in 1850. The name also refers to the state flower, the California poppy, which creates fields of golden color throughout state each spring. The nickname continues to hold meaning today, representing the metaphorical gold of opportunity, innovation, and natural beauty found in California. California's state flower is California poppy. It is a symbol of the state's beauty, resilience, and wild spirit. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoy our video.